Hi, welcome to B&C Home and Garden Center. My name is Rick, and we'd like to give you a brief tour of our lumber counter and our convenient drive-through warehouse. Whether you're a contractor or do-it-yourselfer and just love to do projects around the house, we've got you covered with a convenient and easy drive-through warehouse. Of course, we have our wonderful drive-through warehouse in which we keep our full inventory of moldings. We have nice dry pine. We have a RDI railing. We have all your insulation, your plywoods, your sheetrock, any product you need for your do-it-yourselfer or the contractor. Easy to pull into this warehouse, easy to get the service, and easy to get back out. One of the nice things about a nice drive-through warehouse is we can cut moldings, we can cut anything you need. We have a panel saw to do custom sizes, and so it makes it very convenient for the customer to get what they want when they want it. And we do stock plywoods in smaller sizes besides 4x8s. We have 2x4s and 4x4s. So again, come on down to B&C. We'll take care of all your building materials. Of course, we have a full line of plumbing, electrical, hardware, anything you need for around the house, for the do-it-yourselfer or the contractor, we'll take care of you.